Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. This is another tutorial of BeRemembered.io, and I'm very excited to show you our brand new profile feature here at BeRemembered. This is massive for our couples, and we hope you'll become one of them. My name is Daniel Krikorian. Let's jump right into this quick tutorial. To get to our profile, you do have to hover over profile and click my profile there, at which point you'll be in your overview section. I am going to go through this quickly and then jump back to some of our other tutorials on YouTube or our website to go through things such as the wedding timeline, gallery, payments, and more. But just so you can see here, this is our overview section with our lovely countdown, our wedding memories, how many files have been uploaded, and then our to-do list. Down here we do have a cute little to-do list here. Feel free to add tasks and check them off as you go through. Great for you and your fiance. We do have the latest text message that came through. Message that came through. We also have some quick action buttons down here for you as well. Next, we do have our wedding board. This is where you can save things such as articles found in our inspiration section, along with packages. We did make it so you can put notes on here as well, so feel free to use this. This is massive. As you're going through the booking process, you can save packages, you can save vendors, and you can put notes on all of them, so that way you can compare and contrast. We're very happy to have this feature as we think it will be massive for people as they walk through that process. Next, we do have just a quick overview of our timeline. I'm going to get into that in a future video. You also have your wedding gallery where you can go ahead and view all of your photos. Again, I'll put a video up for that as well. Next, all of your vendors can be messaged through your system right here, and you can chat with them anytime. We have our payment section as well, where we can go ahead and pay vendors right online. And then we have our contracts section where you can go ahead and view contracts right here and download them directly to your computer. So this is massive for all of your bookings to make sure to keep a copy of that contract by clicking download. Next, you can see reviews of your vendor, and you can go ahead and see their response as well. Lastly, we do just have a few preference sections here, so when we're matching you, we can go ahead and see your preferences. And then your profile, this is where you'll store your wedding date, your venue, your partner's name, phone number, etc. Feel free to also go ahead and go to your settings to change your notifications too. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. Hope you're very excited about the new site and you're using it for your big day. We are so happy to have you a part of Be Remembered and look forward to working with you in the future or have in the past. Take care, guys.